Hello everyone, welcome back. Oracle Integration Cloud interview questions. I'll be covering 5 questions in this video. So let us look into the first question. What is Oracle Integration Cloud? OIC. Oracle Integration Cloud is a middleware platform offered by Oracle, and it is cloud-based integration tool. Oracle Integration Cloud brings together all the capabilities of application integration, process automation, visual application building, and integration analytics into a single unified cloud service. This enabled communication between multiple applications. All type of applications like cloud applications, on-premises applications can be integrated using OIC. So this is one of the important question and basic question. We should be aware of this. What is Oracle Integration Cloud? Okay. Next question. What is the difference between ICS and OIC? You know, everyone knows that before OIC we have ICS from Oracle. So what was there in ICS? Simplify how you build integrations in the cloud. This product lets you connect securely to applications and services both in the cloud and on-premises. Integration cloud service. We have only integration cloud service in ICS. And OIC, Oracle Integration Cloud, brings together all the capabilities of application integration, process automation, visual application building, and integration analytics into a single unified cloud service. ICS, PCS, VBCS. So these all features we have in OIC. So they have added all these features and named it as OIC. So this is the difference between ICS and OIC. And OIC is the advanced one. So next question. What is Oracle Integration Generation 2? You know, here in these 3 questions, we are discussing what is OIC and what are the features. But the questions are different. I mean, they may ask in different ways, but the basic questions are these. So with Oracle Integration Generation 2, you have the power to integrate your cloud and on-premise applications, automate business processes, gain insight into your business processes, develop visual applications, use an SFTP compliant file server to store and retrieve files, and exchange business documents with a B2B trading platform, all in one place. So right side, you have an image. Let me take one example and tell you. So here, let's say I'm working for a company and I'd like to apply for a leave. So when we want to apply for a leave, we need a web page to enter my details from what date to what date I need a leave and what is the reason for the leave. So these all details I need to enter. For that, we need a web page. So where we can build, we have a feature in OIC called Visual Builder. So in Visual Builder, we can build a web page. So let's say we have a web page developed by Visual Builder. So there I have entered all my details and submitted. Business Insight. So Business Insight means, in general, let's say you have a order management integration. Their order number is Business Insight. You have configured like that in that integration. So in that case, how many orders got processed and how many orders got rejected, how many orders got errored out and what is all. So these all details you can verify very easily if you configure Business Insight. So in our example, let's say employee ID is Business Insight. Okay. So here employee ID is Business Insight, so that you can verify how many employees got applied for leave and how many got approved and how many got rejected. All these you can do. So now when I submit my application form, leave form, that should be go to my manager so that he can approve. Sometimes one or two people needs to approve. Okay. So here it sent my application details to my manager. So here he or she needs to approve my leave, or he or she will reject my leave. So when they reject, it will come back to me and wait for my update on that. And if I, if I did any mistakes, or if they want me to change any dates, I'll do it and resubmit it. Again, it will go to my manager. So these all are happening with a process automation. So we have to build a process for that. So when, let's say my manager got approved and we need approval from the two members, then it will take care of that. We need to write a process for that. So that all we can manage using process automation. Okay. And then application integration. So here in my company, we use Nexonia for all time offs. So let's say we have a visual builder configured in OIC, and I have given all the details there, and we have manager approvals from the using process automation. They have approved it, but my company want to send these details to Nexonia because we are all maintaining time offs in Nexonia. So they want to send these details to Nexonia. So in that case, we need to build an integration and we need to send all these details to Nexonia so that these details can reflect there. So here we need application integration. So we can do all these visual builder, business insight, process automations, application integration in one place. And here we also have one more feature called SFTP. We have inbuilt SFTP server from OIC. So these all we have in one place called OIC, means Oracle Integration Generation 2. Okay. Next question. What are Oracle Integration Cloud competitors or alternatives? We have many Oracle Integration Cloud competitors, but I have taken only few examples. One is Delboomi, and another one is Informatica and Workato, MuleSoft. We also have TIBCO. We also have one integration tool from IBM. We also have SOVA. So a lot of integration tools. So there in real world, hundreds of integration tools are available these days. Okay. And the next question is OIC PaaS, SaaS or IaaS? So first of all, what is PaaS, SaaS, IaaS? Platform as a service, software as a service, infrastructure as a service. Okay, so platform as a service, PaaS, is used by developers. PaaS give access to runtime environment, to deployment and development tools for application. SaaS is used by end user. SaaS give access to the end users. Means, let's say we have built an up software and we are, we are selling that software to someone who can use it. So that is software as a service. So we are giving access to the end user. And IaaS means infrastructure, means what is the RAM, how much is the RAM we need to configure, what is the ROM and what is the OS and all. This service is called infrastructure as a service. So networking, IaaS is used by network architects. So this is the difference. So now what is Oracle Integration Cloud? Is PaaS or SaaS or IaaS? So Oracle Integration Cloud is platform as a service, means PaaS. Why? Because Oracle provided a platform where we can build our integrations, we can develop and we can deploy and we can maintain, we can monitor them. So that is a platform. So that is why it is platform as a service. Thank you all. We can continue in the next video. Good luck.